Welcome back, crew. Welcome back to Classic Chevy. I'm CJ the Cigar Man, and today I got another good video for you guys. So hey, my buddy actually ran across this 1939 Packard, and actually we both ran across it at the same time. We was at a local auction called AOK Auction, and there's a sweet, I tell you, a little gem, man. Actually, it's not a little, she's a beast of a gem. And it's a 39 Packard. He's thinking about buying it. And I know he's gonna get it. He's talking about he's thinking about buying it, but I know he's gonna get it. And as soon as he get it, we're gonna take it back to his shop, and he's gonna start doing the body work on it. I helped him do a little bit of body work on it, taking the cap off the frame and stuff. So you guys are gonna see a little bit of that work and stuff. And I'm going to actually do several parts of this 39 Packard build. Unfortunately, it's not my vehicle, so I will not be filming every little detail. And this is going to be, I think, another good build for you guys. So let's get into this video. We're going to basically be watching Ron do a little bit of body work. He actually had to cut 14 inches out of that the cab of it to shrink it, because this thing is a boat. So he wanted to make it a little bit smaller so he'd have room to work with it. So let's get into this build, and I'll get you guys probably midway through this video. Alright, so this is where the 39 Packard is at the auction house. He actually cut it 14 inches top to bottom and brought it in because it was just so big. He also done this to the doors, as you see as well. After he got through with the doors, you can see the body work. Can't even tell where he actually chopped the extra metal from the doors. He also cut out the top of the roof, and he actually put a sunroof in the top of it. It turned out really well. As you see here, the fender wells, he actually widened the fender wells up because he actually put 22s on both sides of those fenders. This is Counts doing body work. I wasn't really able to get a lot of filming. I didn't really want to bother him while he was working. He's just like myself. He's a one-man operation, and once he gets going, he don't like to stop too much. Now, I actually filmed this over a course of several weeks, but I did just combine it into basically one episode. Now, this is a beige primer. It's a 2K primer, and he actually turned me on to this. It shows up very well, easy to sand, and I like this primer a lot. I used to go with a 2K gray primer, but ever since he turned me on to this beige primer, it's pretty hard to go back. There, crew, I hope you guys have been enjoying this 39 Packard build that we're putting together. As you see, Ron is actually about to start painting. He's going to be painting that cab, the top of the cab first, like a teal green and a red color, because he's actually painting this truck for this vehicle black. So to break up some of that black, he's going to do like two little pinstripes all around the top of the hood. I'm sorry, top of the roof. And also, you know, when you see him actually spraying, he's gonna go through. He actually cut the top of it, and he went to the junkyard. You know, we a firm believer, when you're refurbishing stuff, it doesn't take, you know, thousands of dollars to get your build done like you want it. He actually went and found a nice sunroof that'll fit that sedan that Packard is working on, he cut that sunroof out of another vehicle, and he cut a big old square, and he actually fitted that sunroof in, and that thing looked like it was meant for it. So let's get back into this video, and I'll catch you guys at the end of this video. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to these videos. Alright, so I catch you guys back at the end of this video. You see Ron stepping through the center of the roof there. That's the sunroof that I was telling you we cut out, and he made it looks factory. As you see, he made a nice little scaffold. That way he can reach around the whole truck, and he can walk around the whole truck as well.
Which I did this time.
Yeah, you did.
I mean, I can spot buff it, and I think that's all I have to do to it.
I'm gonna be slick, boy. That stripe there.
That little stripe really pops now.
Right there. Yeah, I can see it now.
Oh yeah, it pops now.
It is a little like greener too, a little green.
Yeah, I think it would show more greener outside.
Damn.
Anyway, it turned out pretty good. I'm glad I recut it, because it's a lot cleaner than what it was. See how much more cleaner all that is right now?
Oh man, yeah.
Like I say, all the little white stuff, all that just doesn't just overflow dust. Well, the thing was so big, I couldn't keep that stuff off of it. Hey, there was no way of doing it.
She's straight, ain't she?
Down big.
Look at that roof. That roof look good, man.
Yeah, it don't look too bad. Like
That's gonna be.
I may have to cut it. I don't know yet to get it out of here and buff it, but if I do, it won't take a whole lot because it's just slick. Well, they won't be. I mean, I just have to just sand her down and buff it. That's all I have to do. At least I've got it all. Maybe a couple of few little things. Other than that, what the hell? Actually, it ain't bad. I mean, I can see some little things. You know, a lot of that stuff will go away with washing.
Oh yeah. After you've been rubbing on it a few, I tell you, those pillows turned out really nice, man.
Yeah, they did, didn't they?
Yeah, they did.
Yeah, they turned out good.
And that daggone front turned out good. Oh, that thing look good, don't it?
It does. It turned out pretty good.
Cut black, boy. You call it color though. Let's tell you. This is just a few B-rolls of the finished product after Ron got through painting the truck, and he actually put about 4 to 5 coats of clear coat on it. Now this is 2 Suburban frames which he welded together, as you see here. at the end of the 39 Packard build. Hey, she turned out awesome. That paint job is a 5-star paint job. And hey, believe it or not, Ron built that paint booth that you guys see him spraying in. And we also painted several of my vehicles in that paint booth as well. So I don't want to go into too much detail my builds, because I want you guys to watch the episodes below and check those builds out. So that's the end of the build as of right now. I should have a couple more videos, and we're gonna actually start doing like a complete walkthrough of the 39 build with Counts Customs. And I'm looking forward to the builds, guys, and I hope you guys are as well. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below, so we can continue making great content and epic videos, guys. So I'm looking forward to you guys in the future. And if you got a good cigar and a fast truck, smoke them if you got it.